Hey guys, welcome to the first episode of my online income report. Now, this is a series where I'm going to be going over how much money that I made online for each individual month. So for the first episode, I just wanted to share with you guys my income goals. So I'm doing this in Photoshop, and just to give you guys a nice backdrop of what you guys can see. Currently, my wife and I are saving up to have children. We're thinking about starting the process next calendar year. As I'm recording this, it is September 4th, 2019, and our monthly income goal for our side income is $1,250 a month, or a little over $300 a week. So that's the goal that we are shooting for. And let me show you guys what I made in August of 2019. Bring it over to a new sheet over here. As you can see, it's a little bit more plain, just a plain black background. If you guys like the other background, let me know and I'll bring it back in the next episode. So my first main source of online income is YouTube. For the month of August, I made $247.85 off of YouTube AdSense. So that's probably my best month that I've ever had so far. I currently have about 100 videos uploaded onto my channel. So I feel like with more videos I upload, obviously it will generate more views. And I'm trying to focus on some tutorial-based videos in addition to series-based videos. So right now I have my eBay series in addition to this series that I'm starting, and I'll be starting other financial-related series as well. So look forward to that. My next source of income online is eBay. So this is the total profit that I have for the month of August. I have $132.47. Obviously not that much, but that's just taking in consideration, like, the buy cost, all the fees. Only was able to bring in $132 of profit for the month of August. My next source of online income is Amazon affiliate links. So right now I'm just getting started. So I made $15.58 in the month of August, and not very good, but this is just me getting started. If you guys want to support my channel, what I'm doing, feel free to click on one of my Amazon affiliate links and you can purchase anything on Amazon within 24 hours to support the channel. Now, all together, we have a total of $395.90. Now, if you remember from before, I need to make over $300 a week. So at this point, I am over 1/4 of the way there of where I need to be for my goal. So what am I going to do to increase the amount of money that I make? Right now, I'm aiming to make about $500 to $700 off of my YouTube income. So ideally, I would like to make $500 off of YouTube within the next few months. eBay income, I also would like to make around $500 as well. And affiliate income, if I can stretch that to about 200, that'd be really great. And then at that point, I'd obviously be at 1,200, and that'd be pretty close to where I need to be. Obviously, if I can, I'm gonna try to stretch it to make the YouTube income 700, and then just keep these numbers. Obviously, the affiliate and eBay income isn't going to be consistent as the YouTube channel. If I keep making like evergreen videos, that will keep pulling views in the background while I create other videos for my YouTube series, like for the eBay and this series. Let me know if you guys want me to make like weekly updates for my online income earnings, and I'll be more than happy to do so. But as of right now, this is what we're working with. I just noticed that down here is actually covered by the webcam, so I apologize for that. So yes, this is my ultimate goal for when we try to have kids. Right now, it's just me and my wife, and eventually we're gonna have maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So right now we talked about the max amount of kids that we want is 7. We want to have 2 biological children in addition to fostering to adopt. My limit at this point is what, 5 kids, like to foster to adopt, because over that number I feel like it could get really intense. So this is my ultimate end goal at this point, is to be able to reach these numbers just to be able to pay some of the main bills that we need coming in. So let me know what some of your goals are, like how much money you need to make per month, what you are eventually saving for. Right now, as you'll see, I'm saving up to prepare to eventually have kids. So like I said, you'll hear more about this in the very near future. This is ultimately what I am working towards, and I'm looking forward to sharing that process with you guys. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please hit that like button. It definitely helps the channel grow. If you would like to follow my journey, feel free to subscribe. If you would like to support this channel for free, feel free to click on one of my Amazon affiliate links and purchase anything on Amazon within 24 hours of clicking the link, and I'll get a little kickback at no cost to you.